Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Long time back.
Long time.
Should we?
Yes, this is actually the main piece that is the development of Houston Health Service.
U Menteri Rangba Kejela U Conrad ke Sangma haga arpau tarik u kelalengkot arjar arpusan. Ula pelai Paidbah yaga Early Child Development Framework bat yaga ECD Content Package ki bakentup yagi Tiar jing Hikai na gebenta ginong sumar bat yagi nong trei ketenat kekoit kekhia jong Kejela Meghalaya bala Shna daga Sesame Workshop daga jingnya trei lang bat ke Sorkar Jela. Haga jing pelai Paidbah yaga Early Child Development Framework bat yaga ECD Content Package. Kabalalong ha kamra baju penlong yaga jing yalang jongga kenhun menteri. La sakhi lang ru dagi officer naga tenat Social Welfare ke Sorkar Meghalaya bat ginong mikmat naga Sesame Workshop.
I would like to congratulate at the very outset Madam Sonali and the entire team which has put in a lot of effort in the last 1.5 to 2 years to come out with a content and structure which is tailor-made for our state. And as everybody has already mentioned, that it is absolutely critical to understand the local aspects and the local challenges and use the local culture, knowledge, wisdom, systems which are already in place for many years, and I should say decades and centuries, and just simply improve on that foundation which people can then quickly relate to and children and parents can relate to. So therefore the development of the content in this way, which is tailor-made, makes a lot of sense, and that's the only way in fact we'll be able to successfully implement this particular program. So like that, the children of our state, whether it is from the point of time when they are conceived in their mother's womb, to the time when the mother is pregnant, to the time of course in the early childhood development, to adolescence program with Empower. Right now we're doing a new scheme, a new project, a new EAP, and of course other programs related to teenage activities. Of course Empower goes on to 19 years, but apart from Empower we'll be having other programs, Meghalaya Games being held every year, different music festivals, music programs, music support we're giving, different support we're giving through the Hello Meghalaya platform to create content, whether we're giving support through Yes Meghalaya in terms of organizing different cultural groups and giving them funds to be active, whether it's the exchange programs we're having for the youth, so on and so forth. So what I'm trying to tell you is we believe not working in silos. We believe in putting the purpose and the subject right in front and deciding and shaping programs, keeping in mind what we want to achieve at the end of the day. My suggestion would be maximize the utility of these institutional setups, like even for example our self-help groups. How can our self-help groups work with this ECD mission? Because mothers are part of the self-help group. So therefore, using not just that institutional network, but other institutional systems like Yes Meghalaya and other organizations, even non-government organizations that are there, I feel it's important to use those to achieve the larger goal. Use the infrastructures. We have got very good infrastructure. Maybe we just need to upgrade them at some level. Some of them are not so user-friendly, not as clean, and not maybe so practical as we would want them. A bit of investment and we can make them much better than what they are right now. So kindly use the different primary schools, the Anganwadi centers, the community halls. We're building so many community centers now through even the MBDA, through CM Elevate. So I hope that you'll be able to use all these different kind of infrastructural setup also to achieve the larger goal.